Hello and welcome back. Today I want to walk through really quickly how to do your notes assignment. Now this is an example of a course shell of one of the classes that I teach. And they all kind of operate the same way. If you come down to Module 2, which is where you're going to find your first notes assignment, you're going to see a couple things that are going to be really important to you. That's the chapter that you're going to read or the reading for that week, and the video that you're going to watch. Both of those are important in the class. They are different ways to introduce you and to explain and clarify the topic. You're going to choose one of these, the video or the chapter, and do your notes over it. You're not going to do both. That's not required. If you want to, you can, but it's not a requirement. You're going to choose one. It's best to choose whichever style helps you learn better. So if you're a visual learner, you might want to do the video. If you learn better by reading content, then you might want to do the chapter. So you're going to come down here to the notes assignment and open it up. Continue attempt. And in here you're going to see instructions. And it just tells you for this assignment, you're going to download the notes template. You're going to completely fill it in. I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. And then you're going to resubmit it for a grade. Ignore this. This will be replaced with the video I'm creating now. Come down and here's your notes template. You can click here, click download file. We're going to open that up. And this is what you're going to see. Hang on, I went to my other screen. This is what you're going to see. The first thing you're going to do is write down what's the topic for this particular section, this chapter, this video. What is the main topic? You're going to describe it in just a couple words. You're going to put your name here, your date here, and the module title up here. Module title would be the title given at the top of the module. So in this module, it was Introduction to Criminal Justice Ethics. You're going to type here, what is the essential question? Now, I'd wait till the end until I got the rest of it filled out before I came back to this. But basically what this is asking you, what is this chapter or this video explaining to you? What question is it trying to answer? What information is it trying to give you? And you're going to put that right there. Down here, this is where the bulk of your notes are going to come into play. And you can either type straight into this Office document, or you can print it off, handwrite it, and then scan it and send it back to me, or print it off, write on it, take a picture with your smartphone, send that picture in to me so that I see that you've done it. So there's a lot of different ways you can do this, however makes you more comfortable and is easier for you as you go through this process. What I'm trying to get you to do is engage more with the content, practice some critical thinking skills, and also engage in some active learning. And those are the three things I'm hoping to really get out of this. So here on the left, what you're going to have is questions or main ideas. So let's say you choose the chapter. Well, the chapter has sections. What is each section as you go through it trying to tell you? What's the main idea of this section? Or what is a question that you can create that will get to, that maybe you have or may get to the meat of what they're trying to tell you in that section. Then over here, this is where you're going to put your notes. Now, your notes can be abbreviated. They can be whatever have meaning to you. You can draw pictures. You can do whatever you want. But I need quality notes on each section of the textbook if you're doing the text. So you're doing chapter 1. Every section should have some information on it in your notes. What's it telling you? What are some questions you might have? What are the details over here on the right? Same thing in the video. As we go through the video, there's going to be different slides and discussions. What are they talking about? What are they trying to get across? What are the main questions? And what's the content? A few days later, hopefully you'll do this before the last minute, you'll come back and you'll do this essential question. You'll think about, all right, what was this chapter or this video really trying to tell me? What was it really trying to explain? What question was it getting at? And you'll come down here and do a summary. And your summary won't be a big extensive summary. It'll be a couple sentences. Just kind of showing and highlighting exactly what this chapter or video was about, what it was trying to tell you, and maybe a little bit on why it's important. Then you're going to submit that back to me. Again, you can save it directly into the Word document and then upload it into Blackboard. That's fine. You can print it off, handwrite it, and then submit it scan it and then submit it that way, or take a picture of it with your smartphone and bring it to me that way, or you can do a screenshot of it and send it back that way. As long as I get back that you did the notes and you were thorough and that you really understood and engaged with material. If you have any questions after watching this video, please feel free to email me, let me know, and I'll help you in any way I can. Have a great day.